Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn about anchor text, its importance, and how to optimize it. Anchor text is the clickable text in a hyperlink. It is what allows users to navigate from one web page to another. Regarding SEO, anchor text is important because it can help search engines understand what a web page is about. Here are some of the reasons why anchor text is important for SEO. It helps search engines understand the content of your page. When search engines crawl your website, they follow the links on your pages. The anchor text of these links helps search engines understand what the link page is about. This is why it is important to use relevant anchor text when linking to other pages on your website. It can help you rank for specific keywords. If you use the right anchor text, you can help your website rank for specific keywords in search results. For example, if you have a page about SEO, you could use the anchor text SEO services to link to that page from other pages on your website. This would help your website rank for the keyword SEO services in search results. It can help you improve your click-through rate, CTR. The anchor text of your links can also affect your click-through rate. If the anchor text is relevant and interesting, users are likelier to click on it. This can lead to an increase in traffic to your website. Here are some tips for optimizing your anchor text for SEO. Use relevant keywords. When linking to other pages on your website, use relevant keywords in your anchor text. This will help search engines understand the link page and help you rank for those keywords in search results. Keep it short and concise. Your anchor text should be short and concise. This will make it easier for users to read and understand. Use natural language. Your anchor text should use natural language. This means that it should sound like something that a human would write. Avoid using too many keywords. Don't use too many keywords in your anchor text. This can make your anchor text look spammy and can hurt your SEO. By following these tips, you can optimize your anchor text for SEO and help your website rank higher in search results. If you want to learn more about SEO, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.